Hello. Educated, active, and armed citizens are criminal government's worst nightmare. And I'll tell you why. Here is a copy of Citizens Rule Book. It has a copy of the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, all of these things every American citizen should know. Some of these things are completely gone by the wayside. And you can judge by yourself by some of the things that are going on. Because they keep everybody in some kind of state of terror, and some kind of terrorist is hiding under your pillow. They're going to eat you in your sleep and kill your kids and all this kind of nonsense. Well, you know something? The chances of you dying from a terrorist attack are less than getting killed by a bumblebee sting. Now, of course, they're not going to tell you that, but here we go. Here's some of the things that our government has completely seemed to have forgotten, even though this is the Constitution of the United States. This is the Constitution. It says, Section 8 of the Constitution, the Congress shall have power to lay and collect taxes, duties, impose an excise to pay the debts, and provide for the common defense and general welfare of the United States. And another one, 2. To declare war, grant letters of marque and reprisal, and make rules concerning captures in land and water to raise and support armies. Okay, now what that means is that only Congress can declare war. So when our president, Obama, said, hey, I don't need Congress to declare war, I got my rules from a higher authority, the UN. Totally illegal, totally against the Constitution. Alright, here we go. Here's another one. Article 4. For those people that you like me living in New York City, where everybody got stop and frisk, where the cops just run up on you and just frisk you and pat you down and grab everything out of your wallet and all this kind of nonsense. Totally illegal. Totally illegal. Against the law, against the Constitution, against the Bill of Rights. Here it is right here, Article 4 of Bill of Rights. The right of the people to be secure in their possessions, houses, papers, and effects. That's everything that you own. Against unreasonable. Now, if you're walking down the street and the cop just says, hey, I want to search you. Now, is that reasonable? I mean, I can see if he's running after some kind of thief, a murderer, or whatever in hot pursuit, but if he's just walking down the street, pulling up in his car, he sees you with a paper bag in your hand and decides he wants to search you, and you and your friends standing on a corner outside a store or something, that's totally illegal. Unreasonable search and seizure. So he's grabbing that stuff and he's seizing it. Illegal. Shall not be violated. And that's right there. Bill of Rights. It shall not be violated. And no warrants shall be issued upon cause supported by oath or affirmation, and particular describe the place of searches, which means they have to have a reason to grab you. They have to have a reason to grab you and slap the handcuffs on you, dig through your pockets, and all that stuff. So, why are we letting them get away with it? Why are we not being Americans and slapping them down? That's what we need to do. We need to slap these police, the government. We need to slap them back, because apparently they call themselves, what is it? As if they're like in charge. They're not in charge. Police are not in charge. People are in charge. Citizens are in charge. We are in charge. Read my lips. We are in charge. Alright, so all of that stuff with them searching you up and down and sticking their hands down your pants and grabbing your groin at the airport, illegal. But because we've gotten so docile, we let them get away with it. I'm saying don't let them get away with it. Stop them right now. Stop them in their tracks before they get too tyrannical. You know, that Nazi stuff is gone. At least it was supposed to be. But apparently it's not. Because we got it right here in this country. Most definitely.